Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create stock market education poster. We begin with a soft gradient background. Now chart shapes, build the base, then arrows explain movements. After that labels it in shape tags. Next spacing improves understanding. Now icon supports learning. Then rounded corners, soften visuals. After that, shadows add depth. Next, alignment ensure clarity. No grouping organizes content. Then color balance builds trust. After that, hierarchy is refined. Next, final contrast checks. Now polish the design. The poster feels educational and